Let me show you how we got here. We're gonna bend this top leg. I'm gonna take both your arms. You will not fall. So what's gonna happen? This leg would drop like that. My hand's gonna be here. I'm gonna rotate you. I'm gonna be a hit like that. Is that okay?
That's okay.
Cool. All right. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Good. You're in great shape. You're just a little stiff. Bend this top leg. Excuse me one sec. Take a deep breath. And just breathe out. Let this fall. Good, good, good. Drop. On your back, please. I'm going to lift this up for you. Good. All right. So let me show you what's going on. So with the neck, we're going to be here. I'm going to bring you here, and I'm going to turn you. Your one job, just to relax, okay?
Okay.
Good. Scoot down a little bit, please. Take both your arms. You're going to hug yourself like this. Take a deep breath, and take a little breathe out. And let it fall. And one more time for that. Beautiful. Not so bad. Good for you. Builds character.